Next up on this half outside loop, he's going to ratchet roll and reposition the shield center. Right there, pushing all the blood to his head. You got to be careful here. You got to relax. Those capillaries open up, you're going to see red if you're not paying attention. Now, let's go live to Greg in the cockpit. We are with you, buddy. That's right, he's using the side of the airplane to generate the lift. The wings are no longer generating the lift. He uses the rudder as the elevator as he repositions the show center from show left. With a roll rate of over 420 degrees per second, this fully carbon fiber airplane is one of the strongest, lightest, fastest airplanes on the industry today. All right, let's watch the tail. Let's watch the nose. Okay, here we go. He's going to corkscrew through sky here as he accelerates. And converts that into a flat spin back down towards the runway, ladies and gentlemen. The whirling dervish. Now, we may have heard of the Cuban 8. It's the shape of a figure 8 laying on its side. He does it a little different. He puts a tumble at the top. We got a half inside loop. Watch the nose, watch the tail. He's going to tumble it right here. Here we go. Over it goes. Now he's going to drive the 45 line down. That's one half of the Cuban 8 tumble. He's going to do it again on the other side. And now all of his maneuvers that he does, he says this one's the most violent because you're pulling hard right there through 10 G's. Now when I'm talking about G's, I'm talking about the forces of gravity. Let's say Greg weighs 200 pounds. He pulls 10 G's, that means Greg weighs over 2,000 pounds. Now let's try that at over scaring altitude at 275 miles an hour. And that's the second half of the Cuban 8 tumble. Now this airplane is powered by an AEIO 540 Lycoming engine. And it's putting out over 400 horsepower with the help of ethanol. Okay, he's diving in from show left. He's got high DA, so he's working it. He's working everything he's got today. Here's the hard part. Vertical. Watch the tail. Corkscrewing through the sky. Here we go. Accelerates it. Now the hard part. He's going to stop it at the top. He's going to show you that beautiful ethanol-powered airplane. He's going to cut the smoke. And he's going to torque roll that thing backwards at over 60 miles an hour. Backwards. Towards the road, ladies and gentlemen, the torque roll.